So this is how I see the pelvic floor, okay? You've got the front of your pelvis here, okay, the pubis symphysis, which is the bony part of the front of your pelvis. You've got the muscle attached here and it comes around. You've got a little hole there, a little bit, a little hole there, a little bit, and it's going to come into the coccyx. Yes, then that's coming up into the spine, the coccyx, the sacrum, and coming up to the lumbar spine. Yeah. So then you've got these two holes in your pelvic floor, which is how you evacuate your various products. So you can think about your pelvic floor in 3 points: front, middle and back. Yeah. If we take a top view, then we can take the front of the pelvis, the bony part of the front, the pubis symphysis. And you can think of that, the muscle coming back, and it's going to go around these holes. Yeah. You can almost think that as an hourglass point that comes in, that connects then to the coccyx. Yeah. You've got your hole. You've got your hole. So, as you contract in your pelvic floor, you shouldn't see any movement in the exterior, but you should feel it at the interior. And there's 3 points of feeling it, yeah? Front, middle and back. Yeah, so front, middle and back. Front, middle, back. So as you contract, you can think of contracting one section, so it's easier to start front and back. And this middle part will contract a little bit with the front and a little bit with the back. Yeah, so you can think about yourself, if you've got a bit of wind or diarrhea and you want to clench your bum to not let any poo come out, then you're going to clench behind and a little bit in the middle to close, to tighten this hole. Same for the pee. If you're really desperate to go for a pee and you're in the car and you can't stop the car, then you're going to contract here at the front end. So you can just visualize those moments to feel different contractions front and back. Yeah, if you want, you can feel with your fingers different parts of these regions. Try and feel those contractions happening as well. So as far as exercising goes, I like to think of an increasing scale of contraction. So you say maximum contraction, and it comes down in different levels before there's no contraction. Yeah, so as you contract in, you're going to see how many levels you can stop at. Okay, so the first exercise would be go from minimum straight to max. Yeah, so first exercise you go straight up and you're coming back down. So you're contracting maximally and relaxing completely. Then as you can try stopping halfway. So you can contract halfway, contract the whole way, relax halfway, relax the whole way. And you can try and do this front and back first, and then come back to the middle and see if you can't distinguish some sort of middle contraction when neither the back or the front are contracting. Very difficult, very subtle. Okay? But we're trying to distinguish these different sections. Okay, front, middle and back. Okay, so you've got the different steps. So I like to think about two methods about contracting muscles generally. You've got step methods, where you're going to contract to a certain level. You're going to hold that level, then you're going to go up to the next level, hold that level, go up to the next level, hold that level. And you can do each level 1 second, should we say. So you go contract a little bit, hold it a second, contract a little bit more, hold it a second. Yeah, let's see if you can get to 5 levels. 5 levels is pretty complicated already. So start with your 2 levels, your minimum and your maximum. Then you try the halfway step. You're going to hold the halfway step for 1 second. And the next time maybe you can add 2 steps in between minimum and maximum. Okay, and the second theory, if that makes sense, is the lift. So a lift, an elevator, that's what they say in the States, an elevator, a lift, goes up and down smoothly. So you start off at the minimum, you're going to finish at the maximum, and it's going to be a smooth ride, it's not going to be steps. Okay, so you're going to try to increase the contraction smoothly from minimum to maximum, and then back down. Feel that smooth contraction back down to minimum. As well, with the lift or elevator analogy, you can think about getting off at a level. So you can go up nice and smoothly to halfway, stop at halfway, 1 second pause, then go back up to the top. Yeah, so the difference between a step contraction and a smooth contraction. Okay, so you can think about this as the pelvic floor, front, middle and back. You've got the varying degrees of contraction, relaxation. You can try that in all sorts of different positions. And the more types of positions you can do it in, then the better educated your pelvic floor is, the more aware you are of what's going on down there. And in theory, the more stable, the better pelvic floor you'll have. The second part of the pelvic floor, or interconnected with the pelvic floor, is the diaphragm that you can think about, lower abdominals, that comes in, that closes off this pelvic region from the abdominal region. But we'll do that in another video.